Always grade your trades, then you can zero in on the winners. Why do most traders lose? It's not because they can't find trades, it's because they don't know which ones are worth taking in the first place. And here's the kicker. You could be staring at an A+ trade right now and not even know it. All the while wasting your time on C-trade setups that bleed your account totally dry. So let me ask you, if you had a system to grade every trade before you risked a single dollar, how much stronger would your results be? Today, I'm going to give you that system. I'm Kevin Lloyd with Market Pro Trading, and I've been trading stocks and options for over 20 years. The one thing I've learned is this: pro traders don't gamble. They don't treat every setup the same. They grade their trades, focus on the winners, and let the garbage go by. If you're tired of second guessing every entry or chasing every stock that moves, then this lesson is perfect for you. Here's the problem. Beginners, they treat every setup like it's equal. They risk the same amount of money on a random midday breakout as they do on a high volume range break at the open. They size up on a trade that looks good but has no real variables in their favor. No catalyst, no volume, and no major technical levels. And the results? Too much risk on trades that don't deserve it, while missing the real opportunities that do. And that's why you need a trade grading system. My system is simple. 3 categories: A, B, and C trades. A trades, the cream of the crop. You have catalyst, volume, the key levels, they all line up. These are the trades I size up on, just like betting big in poker when you have pocket aces. The odds are stacked in your favor, play big. B trades, good but not perfect. Strong setup, but maybe weaker volume or less significant catalyst. Still worth taking, but only with smaller size. Like a decent poker hand, you play it, but you don't push all in. Your C trades, weak setups, low conviction. Force trades. Most of these don't deserve any risk at all. If I take them, it's with very minimum size, but usually I'll just pass. Overplaying these types of trades is how traders' accounts blow up and die. By the way, this is exactly what I teach inside Market Pro Trading, how to filter through the noise and focus only on A setups. Because the truth is, consistency doesn't come from trading more. It comes from trading less and better. If you want the tools and education to build your own A system, check out marketprotrading.com and I'll drop the link in the description below. Let's make this real. Scenario 1. A stock gaps up 10% on earnings with heavy volume. It pulls back into the breakout level at the open, holds, then moves higher. That's an A+ trade. Catalyst, check. Volume, check. Technical level, check. Scenario 2. A stock is drifting higher at lunch. No news, no volume, grinding sideways. That's a C trade. Sure, it might work, but the odds aren't in your favor. And if you stack enough C trades, you're guaranteed to bleed. And here's the hidden benefit of grading. It takes emotions out of trading. Instead of asking, does this look like it could go higher? You ask, does this setup meet my standards? That shift keeps you disciplined, keeps you consistent, and keeps you profitable over the long run. And this is how the pros think. They grade, they filter, they press their edge. If you found this lesson helpful, hit that like button and subscribe so you don't miss out on any of my weekly pro-level trading lessons. And if you want to fast-track your growth, head over to Market Pro Trading or marketprocoaching.com. Inside you'll find courses, mentorship, and real education built to help you stop chasing and start trading like a pro. I'm Kevin Lloyd with Market Pro Trading. Grade your trades, focus on the winners, and I'll see you in the next video.